Hi, this is Rakesh Udiyar and you're watching Bollywood Hangama.
In fact, I just spoke to Rahul, and Rahul said a very interesting thing that all those people who are saying about the steroids factor, that I can tell them that I can give them the steroid, and even after that, they can't perform the sort of transformation.
This is what I'm saying.
This is not.
This is what first thing I said. I'll give you everything. Can you do it? Can you do it? Or can you lift? Are you lift? I don't know. The people comes over and they want to educate in so many ways. I don't know. They even go to the gym. So yeah, Rahul is right. If we can give them totally whatever he wants, and he cannot come next to even what 30% to it. बात करना बहुत आसान है.
Absolutely.
But when you come across and when you start training it, the way you go, it is difficult. As a professional bodybuilder, I'm telling you, it is difficult. I played it 2014 in Mumbai. It was difficult for me to perform again. Again, I'm doing in 2018. So we take a break and we do. Our sir ने ये 6 महीने में किया. I really had to talk to him और बहुत respect करता हूँ उनकी कि the way he done it. Even जब भी मैंने उनको 345 each side squat करना था, I said, sir, this is 345 and you have to perform. He never said no. I said, okay, I'll try my best.
And were there injuries? Because जब आप इतना heavy weights अगर आप करेंगे तो उसमें
you have to take care of it, those things. You have to understand your posture, the way you go down, the supporting factor. A lot of things that get involved. If your posture is correct, you're gone. Your back spine has to be really straight down, chest up, breathing techniques. There are a lot of things that involved. If you see in a video, the proper manner where the way I used to really shout behind him, come on, strong, 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 strong. That voice is
Motivation.
to make him more motivated, like push. Yeah, my trainer is pushing me. And he used to
right. In fact, I think the beginning part must have been the toughest because when after gaining so much of weight,
when we started putting on, see, we're not only putting on the weights, we have to put it on the muscles also simultaneously.
For the older version, right?
So what we have planned it कि हम लोग gain करेंगे, but gain करेंगे muscle के साथ, fat आएगा उसके साथ. Definitely when you increase your muscle mass, definitely your fat percentage is also increased.
Sure.
So उनको एक छूट थी कि वो कुछ भी खा सकते थे उन दौरान. And during those days he used to eat whatever he wants. But there was some diet which is calorie deficit. Slowly and progressively, we seen it how every month he was changing.
Correct.
So the way he came up, the same way we came down. It's not a one day's process. It's a whole year. अगर उनको 3 से 4 महीना या 5 महीना put on करने में लगा, तो उसे 6 महीने लगे भी है उतारने में.
बिल्कुल, absolutely. Okay, now coming to Salman as well, for Sultan, I think maybe Salman has never ever, I think, worked so hard maybe on his physique the way he has worked for Sultan. It was extremely tiring.
I'll tell you one thing where he started with the 100 kicks and that becomes 1000. He used to practice that way. He used to get tired, literally tired. So we say, "Chalo, we'll go and train." He used to train and then sleep. Both of them, I never seen him say no. एक होता है ना कि नहीं यार बस खत्म करो. I'm start के सामने आप क्या बात करोगे? What do you say? They will always say नहीं करेंगे. चलो, let's go. They're always motivated.
एक और चीज जो कि इम्पोर्टेंट है, मे बी आई थिंक व्यूअर्स को शायद देखना चाहेंगे, जानना चाहेंगे, that considering that आमिर को इतने कम टाइम में लूज करना था इतना बॉडी परसेंटेज, जो अमाउंट ऑफ कैलोरीज जो इनका इनटेक था वो comparatively काफी कम होना था.
Yeah, see,
which was not
it is
easy.
Planned that way, no? So when you start using 3000 calories to increase your muscle mass and weight, the way you go up, the way you have to come down, you have to deficit your calories. So the way you increase your calories, you have to deficit your calories.
Accordingly only.
Accordingly. So अगर हम लोगों ने प्लान किया 6 महीने ऊपर जाएंगे, तो सेकंड प्लान आउट था कि 6 महीने में नीचे भी आएंगे.
6 महीने में नीचे भी आएंगे. Fantastic. है।